Every industry faces different challenges, but all are united by the need to work more productively and more efficiently while delivering a seamless experience for staff and customers. Support your workplace with Toshiba thermal barcode printers. Our devices are easy to use, scalable and flexible. Ready to keep your workplace and your products moving. Let's see them in action. Improve manufacturing efficiency with our industrial label printers. Because the print head lifts up between barcodes, it saves ribbon when you use pre-printed labels, so you can keep track of expiry dates for fresh produce, all while saving money and boosting your green credentials. Get products around your warehouse faster with our robust, reliable, and high-performance industrial printers. Its rotary cutter means labels are produced efficiently and at speed. Ready to slot into the front of your tote trolley and send your items to their next stop. We help keep your production line moving. Our applicator system automatically prints and applies labels to items on the conveyor belt, avoiding added manual processes and freeing up time for your staff. Get products ready for the road with our barcode printers for transport and logistics. Forget printing separate picking and dispatch notes for your e-commerce sales. Our dispatch printer lets you print dual-sided, providing all shipping information in one go. It's the ultimate in environmentally friendly printing, and it's more efficient for you too. Our pallet labeling printer keeps your labels looking their best for the journey. The dual ribbon motor and dual platen rollers prevent ribbon wrinkle, giving you a smooth media throughput and producing high-quality labels with every print. Speed up processing, ensure accuracy, and avoid costly errors with our automatic barcode validator. The scan function quickly and accurately identifies and eliminates invalid barcodes before they make it onto the shelves. In store, our portable printers let staff quickly label items with discounts, helping to manage fresh stock levels. With easy connectivity into any infrastructure and a peel and present function, staff members can take a label and the next one will automatically print, speeding up task completion. And for your plant section, you can print barcode tags directly from a PDA or tablet through Bluetooth. Quick and easy. Help your medical staff put patient care first. Our small, compact, versatile desktop printer makes it easy to record and track patient details. And for healthcare professionals on the go, our light portable mobile printer allows for drugs to be administered and prescribed at the bedside, improving patient safety and patient experience. And because our ribbons and consumables are crafted to work perfectly with Toshiba barcode and label printers, you're guaranteed efficient printing from each device, while upholding your warranty and reducing your environmental impact. Choose Toshiba consumables for better print quality from every ribbon, every time, longer print head life, and a huge range of competitively priced stock for all applications available for next day delivery. It all adds up to peace of mind for you and your business. Plus, working with us means access to a one-stop shop of support services. Our business is built on trust, and our team is committed to helping you in any way we can, in a way that suits you. From entry-level to high performance, our barcode solutions support your work environment, wherever you need us.